What we have here is a plastic Emerson. What Sears came out with back in the late 70s and early 80s. There's no specific model name. This is not a designer. It's just a plastic fan that Sears Emerson came out with. The blades are very heavy plastic. Weigh about 20.5 ounces roughly. Let's get a close-up. Everything is plastic. Switch housing, blades, motor housing, canopy. Except for the flywheel and down rod, otherwise everything's plastic. Has this light on here, which I did not add on. That was on there when I got this fan off of Facebook Marketplace. Definitely not fond of that light kit. I prefer this fan without the light. Now let's start up on low. This fan uses a K55 motor. Bearings are silent on this one. So if I had to guess, it wasn't used very much. Now, oftentimes on these fans, they have a little nylon bushing in between the flywheel and the switch housing, which causes an extremely loud vibration. And that's probably one of the reasons why this fan doesn't turn up very often. Because when people had that problem, they probably just took it down and threw it in the trash. But anyway, let's go up to medium now. And because it is very hard to balance plastic blades, it does shake around a bit. And surprisingly enough, it's not vibrating really bad with that switch housing issue. But before it was. And it might do it on high. So we'll bring it up to high right now. Now this fan is extremely powerful and extremely fast. If you noticed before, it had quite a loud whine to it as it was speeding up on high speed. By the way, I'm not sure what year this fan is from. Let's get a close up. Like I said before, this fan has a very long spin down, so I always show the spin down, so we're gonna just wait till it stops. Now, because the plastic on this fan is UV sensitive, it has yellowed quite a bit, except for the motor housing. But the blades, switch housing, and canopy and everything like that has yellowed quite a bit. And that's just a sign of this fan's age pretty much, just simply the sunlight coming through the window. And because the sun produces UV rays, it causes this fan to yellow over time with UV sensitive plastic. I could spray paint it, but I'm not going to really bother. Alright, and there you have it for this Sears Emerson Plastic fan. And one more thing before I end the video. The blade irons on this fan are elongated by an extra inch, making this fan 54 inch, or by a ½ inch, I believe. So it makes this fan 54 inch. if you're ever wondering that. But anyways, there you have it for the Sears Emerson Plastic fan.